type of bowing is often referred to as hooked, like this. This is when you're detaching the eighth note. So it's not really legato, it's actually very detached, and you're stopping the bow completely to play the eighth note. This is called, in English, hooked. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you did, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Also, I invite you to visit my website, where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. If online lesson format will be suitable for you, maybe I can help you learn. Let's get connected. Thank you so much.